Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I am going to show you how to convert Wix website to PDF. So let's get started. So here we are in Wix, and this is our website. What you want to do first is make sure that your website is published. So you want to click on published right here, and then from here you want to copy your site right here, so HTML right there, and you want to go into google.com and type in I love PDF HTML to PDF, and then you would have this result right here. So you want to go ahead and open that right here, and you would be prompted right here, or you could just go into ilovepdf.com and select their HTML to PDF tool. And then once you're here, click on add HTML and just paste your website right there. Click on add, and then from there it would generate this preview right here, and this may take a while and so on. And then after that, this would pop up right here. It means that it is ready to be downloaded. So you can now click on start download, and then when you open that up, it would have this one right here. Or if the download is not showing for you, then you can click on convert to PDF. But yeah, this is basically how you can convert your website to PDF. It's basically the same thing with what I have here. I only have one page, so it is just showing like this. But in your case, if you have many, then you should see it all right here in your PDF. So that is basically it. Thank you for watching.